Naibu wa kinara Martha Karua amesema hivi leo kwamba waliotaka kumshambulia Raila walirusha vitu machozi ili kuzubaisha umati alafu kisha baadaye wamuue Raila Odinga. Waliongezea akisema kwamba maisha yako kwa mikono ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Hakuna mwanadamu anaweza akachukua kabla wakati wako kufika. Pia alizungumzia uchaguzi uliopita akisema whistleblower alisema Raila ndiye mshindi lakini mahakama ilikataa, na kwa hiyo amedai ikiwa Ruto alichaguliwa kwa kweli na basi afungue sava ili watu wa Azimio wakadhibitishe.
It was getting the blunt of it, tear gas and bullets. And I now know why they were throwing so much tear gas. They wanted a cloud to cover the direct attempt on him. If it was not an assassination attempt, tell me why you are shooting at his windscreen at the side where he is seated at close range. We are saying you can plan all the evil you want. Life is in the hands of God. That is why you were not able to get him or any of us yesterday. And you are not going to get any of us. You will try, but you will not succeed. And the people of Kenya must get justice. And I want the people of Kenya to understand one small thing. Ndio tukaenda kwa koti tukanyimwa haki. Ndio tukanyimwa haki na IBC na hiyo ikamalizika. Alafu whistleblower akaja na results. Na hizo results tukisiangalia ni za ukweli. Madai yetu ni chache. Open the server. Kama ulichaguliwa tudhibitishe. Kama hukuchaguliwa tukufagilie nje. Lakini you have to open the server. You are a coward, William Ruto. Why do you get the police to fight against Kenyans? Why do we have to be robbed with tear gas when we are doing a lawful activity demonstrating? Mumeona kwa runinga, in the nation of France, they were demonstrating almost daily. Millions of people, no tear gas. Just here, South Africa. They demonstrated no tear gas. In Kenya, we are demonstrating. Violence occurs when the police come to fight, to meet brutality on the people. Yesterday we would have ended without incident. On Monday in Kibra we would have ended without incident. Police come with tear gas and live ammunitions. I am telling IG Kome and everybody who cares to hear, if you want to find out who is having violence, it's police and government hired goons. In Kisumu, they came to open an office. Kumbe, it was a center for their goons to plan violence in Kisumu. Wherever we have no police resistance, no hired goons, there is no violence. So if you are looking for criminals, look at sections of the police and the UDA goons who are committing these offenses. I want to urge Kenyans everywhere, stand up for your rights. They are muzzling any protest in central Kenya. In my own backyard of Geshogo, young men gave notice to demonstrate. They took loads and loads of policemen. They cannot even allow them to come out. They're hounding them in their homes. In Meru, we saw the same thing, because they would like us to believe that Baba has no following in those areas. Baba has following in the entire country. And the issues he's bringing forward affect every Kenyan. So wasikie, hatutarudi nyuma. Jumatatu tuonane na kila Mkenya amuke. It is Easter. My last word will be this. It is Easter. Kenya is almost dying. May Kenya rise with the risen Christ during this Easter. Hii kazi lazima tumalize. Ukweli utokelezee, Kenya iweze kuendelea. Tumekubaliana?